So guys, the crypto markets are crashing down very significantly, altcoins as well. Indicators are kind of trading sideways, and right now a huge event is going to be happening tomorrow, or by the time you're already watching this video, the crypto summit that's going to be having US President Donald Trump speaking, and there's a lot of different sentiment around this event. A lot of people think it's going to be a sell the news event, which more likely it is. A lot of people are already starting to capitulate. I was leverage trading, saw the market starting to dump very significantly, so we're already starting to feel the effects of it. Today, I want to walk through exactly the price action indicators, what you need to be aware of, the sentiment around this event, and exactly what could be happening in the next few days. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey since the beginning of 2023, showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated on the day-to-day events, price action on Bitcoin and altcoins, just so you can understand how liquidity is shifting, and then big events like the crypto summit that's going to be happening tomorrow, that's going to be having an effect on how traders are trading in the markets. Right now, guys, a lot of people are super bullish on the state of the markets, other people not so much. So this is all based off of how you've been, navigating the space, specific people you keep up with, and exactly what you are focusing on. But like I said, today I want to focus on the indicators, how everyone is looking at this event, and what you need to know. Let's go to jump into it. So guys, like I said, the crypto markets are dumping down significantly. Bitcoin sitting at 87,000. Ethereum sitting at around 2,100. Bitcoin dominance trading sideways after hitting that 62% zone. It's sitting around 61.2 in USDT dominance as well after hitting that 5-6% zone. Currently sitting at 5%. The total 2 chart, as you guys can see, is deviating quite significantly after having a slight little pump earlier in the week. Overall, though, the big event that's going to be happening in the next 24 hours is the crypto summit, and exactly the speech that's going to be given by US President Donald Trump. And this is all revolved around the crypto strategic reserve, United States. But right now, a lot of people feel different in different states, guys, just pretty much based off of the manipulation that's taking place in the markets. A lot of capitulation with people selling out their bags, and the mixed sentiment as opposed to where we're going to be moving. But with Trump and how everything's been affected so far with President Trump, we have been seeing some massive moves in liquidity, pretty much based off of Trump having a meme coin launched after him, and then the Melania coin, and then him talking about specific coins in the crypto reserve that he is more bullish on, which caused a lot of manipulation in the markets, which more than likely he benefited from, and a lot of people are aware of, which is why there's mixed sentiment around Donald Trump around the crypto summit tomorrow and exactly what's going to be happening. Benjamin Cohen and Justin Bennett are two crypto analyst investors that have been here through multiple cycles, and I'd love to get their perspectives on how everything's been having an effect and exactly these events as well, even though right now they kind of have more of a bullish approach to the markets, and I think it's just because they're more realistic. But Benjamin Cohen goes ahead and talks about his perspective on pretty much what's going to be happening with Trump and the huge events. Benjamin Cohen says, though, first, overall, the tariffs that are currently taking place that were supposed to be going into effect right now in moving into March, that was said back in February about March, and now it's moving into April. And right now, guys, the markets do not like uncertainty, and there's a lot of different situations that are being changed pretty much based off of these conversations, partnerships, and all these other different things that are going on. So right now we're having mixed sentiment, which is not good. And then he goes on to say new profit taking strategy for 2025. Anytime a politician says that this is the golden age of crypto, take profit. So right now he thinks that this is going to be a sell the news event, like a lot of people do, and I honestly think it is as well. I think the market's going to take a nasty dip, but I think a healthy correction also could be on the table. But this is why we need to keep up with the price action around these assets and indicators to really let us know where we're going to be going. Justin Bennett as well gave his perspective on the crypto summit that's happening tomorrow. He goes on to say, this is when everyone tells me about Friday's crypto summit as if there will be some groundbreaking announcements. I mean, the man just put 88 in a strategic reserve. Think about that. It's difficult to type without laughing, and it's so true, guys. Everyone was dogging on ADA. People still dog on ADA, and then he's talking about having that asset in the strategic reserve because the Cardano team apparently is working hand in hand with the Doge team and a few other internal teams within Trump's administration. But regardless, he says best scenario is Bitcoin pukes going into Friday's summit. Otherwise, it'll probably go down as yet another buy the rumor, sell the news event. And he's pretty much based this off of the price action that we're currently seeing with Bitcoin, and we talked about this in a previous episode. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. I keep you guys updated with everything you need to know. But overall, based off the price action, Fibonacci charts, and what we've been seeing, more than likely we could be seeing a deviation back down to that 78,000 zone. Potentially, at the end of the day, we could be invalidated, but based off of this event that's going to be happening, how Trump has had an effect on the markets, how everyone is feeling about this, it's not looking too hot, guys. And as a result, we could be seeing some massive sell-offs and liquidations in the market tomorrow. As a result, I'm still super bullish. My crypto portfolio is down significantly, but I am super bullish. I'm dollar cost averaging, looking for new opportunities, leverage trading, and doing everything else in between. So swiping everything to the side, guys. Right now, I don't like to make my videos too long. I like to get straight to the point, give you exactly what you need. We need to keep up with the price action around Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. More likely, we're going to be sweeping some specific lows based off of the price action and trend lines that we've been seeing starting in 2025 and previously in 2024. As a result, guys, price action is not looking too hot. Liquidity needs to be funneled back in, and we're having some huge events happening in March. Tomorrow, we're having the Crypto Summit, which is one of the biggest events that we know is going to be having an effect on the markets. And right now, everyone thinks it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and I'm honestly on board with that. I think that a lot of people are going to start capitulating their bags just because they're scared. They don't know what's going to happen. And then other people are also like, hey, this is a sell the news event. And then they feel like they got to sell. And then before you know it, everyone's selling. But that's whenever buyers are going to start to step back in. And then we're going to start to see a reversal. So you can catch these trends. You can understand that stuff. But keeping up with the day-to-day price action, news events, indicators, all of this stuff, guys, is super important. And we do it on this YouTube channel, so you do not have to do it all yourself. If you're new to my channel, go and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey since the beginning of 2023. And overall, I'm just showing you guys my wins, my losses, keeping you guys updated with the day-to-day events, price action around Bitcoin and altcoins, and exactly what you need to know and how everything is having an effect. Crypto Summit's going to be happening tomorrow. More than likely, we're going to be seeing massive capitulations. But at the end of the day, everything can get invalidated. People do not know exactly what's going to be happening. We only base it off of the sentiment, price action that we're currently seeing, and exactly what happened in previous cycles. But I'm going to keep you guys updated with the day-to-day, exactly what you need to know, and exactly how you need to be positioning yourself. I'm actually going to drop a video tomorrow talking about one key asset that I think is going to be exploding quite significantly. It's one of the main assets in my portfolio, so I'm sure you probably are already aware of it, but I'm going to be sharing it tomorrow, the potential behind it, the X potential, and exactly why I'm so bullish on it. But if you're new to the channel, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you think of my content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.